Yo, what's good? This your boy Jason, and in this video, I'm gonna answer the question that I get often. And that question is, can you sell beats through Gumroad? And the answer to that is heck yeah. You can sell beats through Gumroad. You can sell dang near anything through Gumroad. Like it's a very incredible platform to use for selling. And I myself, I sell through Gumroad and I sell beats all the time. So let me show you. Let's see. I'll show you just my product page. And this is one of my Gumroad accounts. But yeah, I sell through Gumroad all the time. Here's a beat pack that I sell right here. And I mean, I sell this beat pack for $27 and I've made nearly $3,000 off of this beat pack. I've actually made more than that because as you see, sold 28 there. I've sold them for different prices. And that's part of the reason why I have different Gumroad accounts, because I do a lot of testing between my products and then my clients' products. But as you can see, I sell beat packs through Gumroad. So yeah. I would not recommend selling individual beats through Gumroad unless you're gonna sell exclusive rights only. So I'm talking, maybe you want to put effort into selling one beat for $400 or $500 on Gumroad and just putting it like that and just doing a one-off sale. But it is really good for selling beat packs. And the reason being is because Gumroad also handles the delivery. It allows you to build the page in order to do the selling on. And it's just a really good platform. So as you can see, this is one of the pages that I created right here with Gumroad. Let's see. So yeah, this is the sales page, and as soon as people go through this sales video, they'll say, "Hey, man, I want to cop these beats. I'm gonna get these beats. 41 beats. You can't beat it, right?" So then they go to buy this, and it sends them directly here where they can go ahead and they can make the purchase. And then once they make the purchase, they'll be charged the $27. It'll process, and then they're gonna see that their receipt here, and which is cool because I have it set up to where once they get their receipt, they also have the customer support information where they can reach out to me, which I need to change this now because I have a new um, customer support number. So yeah, this is the power of Gumroad, and all of it is automated. As soon as they, make the purchase of the beats, they're sent directly to their email, and they can download them, listen to them, uh, record to them, and I have all of those files. Let me see. Yeah, within content right here. So as you can see, I got the beats folder. It's got 30 beats and then 10 additional beats, and then I have one bonus beat. I got the my star status guidebook. I got 6,000 Spotify contacts. So I load them up with a lot of stuff for just $27. And the other cool thing is too that you can make different versions of this. So if I wanted to make a version where not only did they get the beats, but they also got the stems, I could sell that for an additional $50 or $100 or however much I wanted to price it at, and I would just add a new version. I could also limit the product sales. So if I only wanted to sell 50 of a certain, of a certain product, I'm able to do that. And I could also allow customers to choose quantities. Uh, I could publicly show the number of sales on a product. Just so many really cool things. And what I really do is I stamp the PDF with the buyer's information. Right here, let me see. So this star status ebook is a PDF, right? So I stamped this PDF as a means to, um, as a means to monitor who's purchasing the book, and also it allows me to uh, make sure that nobody is reselling and repurposing my products without their name being on it. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's a dead giveaway for some crazy stuff going on. But anyway, this is how to sell beats on Gumroad. The question was, can you sell beats on Gumroad? Yes, you can. And this is exactly how I do it. I advise you, if you are just starting out selling beats and you're trying to get your feet in the water, you're trying to get a couple sales, use Gumroad, man. Gumroad is really cool. It's really straightforward. And I mean, it's just a very beautiful platform to sell on. So if you have any questions at all, definitely feel free to reach out to me at any time. Leave all of your questions in the comment section below. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if I get a lot of views on this video, I'll say if I get 1,000 views on this video, I'll make another video giving you strategies on how I sell these beat packs through Gumroad, like the exact strategy on what I do to sell these beats on Gumroad. So hope you like this video, and God bless. Peace out.